Now what we're going to do is go in our scripts player directory and create a new JavaScript. Name it bullet script, and it has to be named just like this: capital B, capital S. Open up the bullet script and get rid of the default function update, and we're going to add a variable called seconds, and equals 2. That variable is going to be used to destroy our game object after the given seconds. Make a static variable called player shooting. If you remember, the player shooting is going to be the player shooting. I don't know how to say better than that. Game object, okay. And function on collision enter, and that function is called whenever it collides something, and we're going to pass a other collision parameter. So whatever enters our collision, it's going to be called other, and it has to be a collider. Okay. If other.gameObject.name is equal to player, then destroy this .gameObject. That's pretty much self-explanatory. We don't want the game object to destroy when it hits something else. We just want when it hits the player. If other.gameObject.getComponent health so health, which is already applied to our player, and if you want, you can also add health to the neutral bot, but maybe I'll explain how to do that later. The reason why we do, if other game object has this component, that means whoever has health, this line of code is going to be applied. So health dot enemy equals player shooting dot name, and the enemy variable on the health script has to be a string, so that's why we do player shooting dot name. And also we want our health to go down, so health dot health minus equals 10. Okay, Control S to save, and that takes care of our bullet script. Go to your AI prefabs, click on Fireball, and then add the bullet script to it. You know what? Don't do that, because in here we actually add the component through scripting. So yeah, we don't need to do that. We'll see how it works. And you can see 100 right here is our health. So when we get close enough, it's going to start shooting, and he's missing right now. Let's go over here. If you notice, our player is running right now, even though I'm not moving. And that's going to happen every first time you load the game within the editor. And that's just because the scripts were compiling in a weird order, but you can see now he doesn't do it. So if that bugs you, you can just double click on the play button. And it's giving us a script error. So collision. Okay, so I put in collider instead of collision, but we want it to be collision because that's all the on collision enter will take. So just change that to collision, save it, and that should go away. And what I'm gonna do is just go closer so he actually hits us. And our health is going down. You were killed by enemy bot. That's the name of the player shooting. Alright.